it is whether it is both or basic. It is the first one.
Okay.
If it has to be both or just basic or both.
Okay.
And secondly, today we found out that it can be we are even before vertical line. Mosky
Okay.
said that.
Yes,
If it
correct.
is standard or no,
Okay.
we don't know.
Okay.
Or if it is enough that it starts before vertical line and ends after,
Okay.
you know.
Yes.
And probably lastly, about shift issues.
Okay. Shift.
Uh, when we find we are, for example, let's imagine it is we are for sell. In that moment, it can't be shifted by overlay candle red one, which closes down the VR. Is it
Okay.
clear
Yes, I get you.
or not?
CMP shift. Yes. So
Okay.
you have, okay, if I repeat, you guys have issues on defining which VR to use, right? Whether it's a break of structure VR or it's a basic breakout VR, right? So you want to know when to use each one of this. So second is the issue where the vertical line, right? Where it can happen
Yes.
before the vertical line. And then next would be the shift issue, which would be the shift of the current market price that's going to invalidate something, correct?
And
Um,
maybe it can be useful when we can see it like uh, mm, I'm sorry, I'm looking for English word.
okay, it's fine.
Some backtesting that we don't know what is further.
Okay, okay, okay.
Some replay mode. Yes, replay mode. It is the word.
Oh, replay mode. Okay, okay, okay. So,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
so you
If
wanna
it is
view?
possible. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you wanna view it inside a replay mode on how things work, is it?
Yes, something like at real time that we don't know what will happen.
Okay, okay. Let's go. I can show you that with
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me plug in my with MT4. So for today's class, we will be focusing only on the VR. Give me a sec. Do any of you guys have a replay mode for TradingView? Any of you guys using TradingView? I'm gonna use software FX, okay, to demonstrate the stuff. Cool.
Yes, yes. I use TradingView and replay mode as well very often.
Okay. Try. I'll be using MT4 because I don't have testing software in MT5. That's fine, right? Yeah.
Do you have indicator overlay also on MT4?
MT4? Yes, correct. I do have
Okay,
it.
okay.
Yes. Because you guys gonna wanna see that. Okay, wait. So okay, now I'm gonna share my screen. Who's that? Okay, I'll write before I speak. Okay. So I will first demonstrate the things. Share my screen. Screen. Okay. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to give me a random date. You will do a new simulation. Random date. So anyone, I'm gonna use the Dukas copy data. I'm gonna remove the rewinding. You want me to remove this? Okay, I won't remove it. It's for education purposes. So give me a date where you want us to do an example, 2019, 2020. Anyone?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Okay, so if it doesn't matter, then we
September.
just September? September.
Yes.
September. Okay, 1st of September. Okay, so just put some random leverage and no spread. New York. Okay, New York close. Okay, so I'm gonna start the simulation with 1,000, 10,000 history. Okay, start simulation. Okay, now we have this. Okay, okay. Start by adding up the monthly chart. This is gonna take a while because there's so much buzz to it. So any other issues while we load this? Hello?
No, it's okay.
Okay, it's fine. Okay. MT4 is a little bit slow. Wait. I'm just gonna speed up the process with by loading previous simulation like this. Would be faster. Yeah, it would be. But the indicator that I have on the MT4 is going to look slightly different, okay? It's just the interface is going to change. Okay. Now let's look. Clear things up. Okay, I'm gonna remove this H1 and H4. Okay, so we're gonna be using the H1 and H4. Okay, the indicator that you see that looks like a donut, that is an engulfing one. Okay, no, we're not there yet. Inside, we're not in the engulfing topic yet. So. Candle donut play. Okay, now. Okay, can you guys see it or it's not that clear? Maybe I change it to black and white. Okay, can you guys see candlestick?
Yes, we do.
Super.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, let's do it. Okay, so now, okay, let's start with a H4 breakout. Okay, first we look for a H4 breakout. Okay, because it starts with that. Okay, now if you look at it, we have a H4 breakout right here. Okay, H4 breakout. This is step one. Identify your direction time frame, bias time frame. If we're trading intraday, 100% of the time, okay, our direction would be biased based on H4. Okay, so now after it gives us the H4 breakout, we would want to look for the H1 VR, which would be one time frame lower. Okay, so it happens after. Okay, it happens after this candle closes. So, okay, here's the situation. Okay, it can, this is a previous price, right? It can actually break this and create a VR. Okay, any support that you have happening before this vertical line, okay, any support, okay, that happens before this vertical line can be classified as a breakout. Okay. Once a breakout happens, a VR happens. Is it clear? Okay, now I start moving. Okay, now look at it. Okay, in this situation right now, okay, it did give us a VR the moment this support breaks. However, at the same time, we have a direction shift in H4. Okay, meaning to say the cycle resets every time a breakout happens. Okay, a new breakout happens, you would want to look for a new VR. Okay, cool. Do you guys get me?
Yes.
Okay, you guys get me. Okay,
Yes.
so now, okay, so now it shifted to the front. Okay, now we have a new H4 breakout. So once we have a new H4 breakout, we need to look for a VR again. Okay, anything behind, we do not care about it anymore. So just move it again for VR. So see, it gave us a new H4 breakout. We keep shifting forward. Okay, following the current market price breakout that we have right here. Keep shifting it. You need to keep on updating. Okay, move it again. Now, okay, we have a VR. So look at it. So the candle closes here as a bearish breakout. Okay, however, at that point of time, okay, after this candle, it gave us a bearish candle which forms a resistance. See, that resistance is behind this line. So you would also consider this as a VR. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Then it gave us a VR right here. Okay, so now we have our VR. Okay, then next we want a CF. Drop. Look at it. Okay, this is a CF. Look at it. Basic of it lah. There's no specific criteria yet, but a CF is the one that happens after the VR. Okay, but I will not touch this first. Not yet. We just go with the VR first. So give a CF. See now. Okay. Gave the CF here. It dropped a bit. Stuck inside the VR area. Then it gave us a new H4 bullish break. Then the cycle resets again. Okay, even though it's a small candle like this, it's still considered as a break of resistance, which happens here. Okay, now I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna ask questions. So any questions so far? Any questions?
Isn't it problem that on the VR, the
Mhm.
overlay candle, it's a bullish candle, but it closes, I think, right in this area of VR, or I don't know if I see clear it.
Wait, let me
The
enable.
blue one. I mean the blue one, what is probably bullish overlay candle.
Can you annotate? It should have like a here
On our
or above here.
VR, there is blue overlay candle.
VR, there is a blue overlay candle. This one, you mean? This
Where
one?
do you have yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. You try look at your left corner, downside or up corner, somewhere for a pencil-looking icon, so we can learn more efficient. Try and find. Are you using a tablet or like a phone or piece laptop?
Phone. I'm on phone.
Okay, that explains why. Okay. Okay, you wouldn't have that data. So the question would be this one, you mean?
Yes.
Okay,
The
so
blue overlay candle, it closes a little bit under where we are happens, I think.
oh, okay. So in regards to that, okay, you don't actually need to care about the blue overlay candle. Okay, the only thing you need to care about is what happens after this red candle close. This one. Okay, the moment this red candle close, all you need to think about is just the H1 price. No longer need to consider anything that happens in the H4.
I'm asking if it is not shifted in this case.
Oh, okay.
No?
It is shifted. Yes, it is shifted. It's just this happens during you don't need to that's not an issue. Yeah. See, this happens in overall rollover time where gold originally have one less candlestick. By the day closes, it's going to have one less candlestick. Can you explain, Moski?
Oh, can you ask the question again?
Okay, the question was rollover.
I mean,
Oh,
what was the original question?
okay. Can you re-ask the question, Andrea?
Yes, in the moment when our VR was created or creating, there is overlay candle which is shifted, I think. And Barney are talking about something else, I think. Maybe a little misunderstanding.
You mean change color, you mean?
I mean that a blue candle.
Yeah,
This is
blue.
our hourly candle.
Yes, this
And
is the H4.
yes. And if isn't she or it shifted or not in this case?
CMP, higher time frame, you mean? Because it is a bullish candle, you mean you are asking whether it shifted or not? Okay. In order for the CMP to shift, it needs to, breaks support or
Oh,
resistance. Like this is a shift, and then here forms a new support, and then this candle breaks this again. That's a shift. And then here is a small resistance forming by the overlay. And then this bullish candle later close above it, that's a new shift. So in order for it to shift, it needs to break something. And then this small doji candle didn't break anything. Like there's no support. It didn't break a support. It didn't break a resistance. There's no shift there. Is that what you are asking?
Maybe. I have to thinking about it later.
okay.
Okay. For that moment, okay. I
Okay.
do not. I will not complicate it more.
Okay. I was okay. I was just thinking whether you were asking about how this candle looks or whether it's actually regarding a breakout. Is it how this candle look or it's regarding a breakout?
It's about breakout.
Oh, it's about breakout. Okay. If it's about breakout, okay, every single time, okay, direction shift happens, it requires a pair of, okay, this one is a support. Okay, why is it a support? Because it has one bearish followed by a bullish candle. One bearish and one bullish candle forms a support. Support is a V level. The moment this breaks, okay, meaning to say it closes below the support, our direction would automatically be sell as it is a bearish break. So this is a shift. Okay, so next, where did it shift next? Okay, it shift next here. Okay, we were in bearish flow. Okay, current market price. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna, rewinding this disabled, okay. So right at this point, the moment this candle closes, okay, we are in a bearish flow, as our most recent breakout at that point of time was a bearish break. Okay, so if you're asking about a shift, okay, the next shift happened here, okay, because we had a bullish break. Okay, if you look at the candlestick closely, okay, if you look at the candlestick closely, this part right here, we actually have one bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. No matter how small it is, as long as the color is a pairing of two candles, it forms a resistance. Okay, one bullish, one bearish forms a resistance. The moment this bullish candle closes above the resistance, we are now in a bullish flow. Okay, so we went from bearish to bullish. Okay, this is where the shift happened. This is where the shift happens. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Yes.
Did I manage to clear that? I'm not
I
sure.
think Andrea, you did all the three pictures. I check all of them are correct on the when you mark the higher time frame BOs, right? So you do know the BOs, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically shift is the same as the BO, but you are just following on the overlay. You know, whenever you get a BO, that's a shift.
Okay, that's a good point.
Yeah. Whenever you get a shift, whenever you get a BO, that's a shift. And then afterwards, you will find the VR for it in the one time frame lower. Yeah. Okay. You can continue, Barney.
Okay. Thank you, Mosky. I think the issue is it's because we are using the overlay as a multi-time frame tool. That's why. But once you get used to it, like you actually understand how to use it, this thing is going to be working wonders for you. Okay, so bear with me a bit. Okay, so now at this point of time, we actually had this bullish break. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys every shift. So at this point of time, we actually had this bullish break. So we're still bullish in the flow. Okay, we did not have our VR yet. Okay, so I'm gonna track it here. This is where our direction shift happened as a bullish break. So now we're gonna look for our VR. VR needs to be a bearish break that happens in H1. Okay, this is the H1 candle, one time frame lower from the H4. So moves up, moves down. Now look at it. Okay, the last breakout still remains the same as bullish. Okay, it remains bullish. Then it gave you a VR after, which happens here. Okay, look at it. It closes. This is a break of support. Okay, this is our VR. The first opposite direction break that happens after a breakout in higher time frame. So the case we are looking at right now is higher time frame is H4. Okay, our low time frame is the H1. Okay, only going to be dealing with this. High time frame, H4, lower time frame, H1. So keep in mind, if I am mentioning higher time frame, it would be the H4. If I'm mentioning lower time frame, it's going to be the H1. Okay, so now let's look at it. H4. So after a VR forms, okay, you would want a CF. So CF is the same direction break. Look at it. Okay, now let me show you something. Okay, look at it. Okay, this was our H1 VR. Look at it. It has like a text there. Okay, I have a text there. So this first one is a H1 VR. Okay. In order for a valid, listen to me closely, in order for a valid confirmation to form, okay, first rule, okay, the higher time frame direction breakout must not change. It must not change. You need to say it must not shift. That is number one. Number two, you are required to have a VR that happens in the lower time frame, which would be the H1, okay? One time frame lower. So right now you have your VR here. VR. Then after the VR, you required to have a CF. CF is the same direction break as your direction time frame. So if your direction time frame is bullish, the CF needs to be bullish. Okay, so let me talk a little bit about BO, VR, and CF. BO is what you guys have not learned this yet. Okay, BO is the direction. Direction. Okay, BO. In this case, our BO is H4. In order for us to take a setup, we first need a clear direction, then a clear retracement. Okay, this is retracement. Retracement. Okay, we need a clear retracement. This is step one. This is step two. Okay, a clear retracement. This retracement is telling us that price will give us a pullback. So retracement must happen one time frame lower. Okay, if your breakout is in H4, retracement needs to happen in the H1. So same example as this one. Okay. Then you would need a confirmation. So confirmation also happens one time frame lower. So it drops, okay, drops. Then it is going to give you a breakout that is going in line with the direction. Okay, so it's going to give you bullish break. Break. Okay, this is number 3. So this is the 3 simple steps we take in order for us to take a trade. Okay, so now, live example, I'm going to show you this. Let's see whether this one works out or not. Okay, there's no refinement on this yet, so it's just pure basic. So look at it. This part right here, we actually have a bullish break. Do you see it? Look at the candlesticks. This is a bullish break, okay? Why is it a bullish break? Because we have one bullish here, followed by a bearish candle. Maybe a doji, but this is a bearish candle. It's really clear. Okay. Once this form and this candle closes, we actually have a CF. This one. Okay. And if you notice, this bullish break is aligning with the direction time frame. Okay, so H4. Look at it. H4 is still bullish at that point of time. Our high time frame is still bullish. So now I am going to be expecting, okay, that price is going to move up. So for the sake of example, I'm just going to put like maybe one lot, okay, one lot, and then I'm going to press buy. Okay, so now my expectation is price is going to move up. This is without any filtration or anything. This is just pure BOVR and CF. So okay, now see, it moves up. Then close all like that. Okay, I won't be talking about money management or anything yet. So this is the process that we take, that we follow in order for us to take a trade. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, take the shot. Okay, now I'm gonna I'm gonna redo everything again, and I'm gonna ask maybe someone to define stuff for me. Is that cool?
Yes.
Okay. So how is it?
Yes.
Everything clear so far?
Yes.
Okay,
For me, yes.
everything. Okay, for you, yes. We need the rest to understand, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure everyone understand. Okay, so now let's continue with our breakout part, okay? Let's find a new breakout. Find a new breakout. Find a new breakout. Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, find a new breakout. Okay, now we actually have this new breakout right here, okay? I'm gonna clear my drawing. Okay. Now look at it again. So this is a new H4 bullish break, right? Okay, bullish break, okay, H4. So now we have our, I'm gonna draw it like this. Now we have our direction, okay, high time frame direction. So I'm gonna use the exact same concept. We have our BO. Okay, next we need what? What do we need after a BO? Phase one.
Our VR.
Our VR. So let's look for VR. Okay, now it has given us a VR here. See, look. Do you see it? This is our VR. But let me confirm. Okay, the breakout completes here. Okay, this is where the breakout, the direction gets confirmed. Okay, closes here. The moment this candle close, it actually breaks this resistance. One bullish, followed by a bearish candle, forms a resistance, and then it closes here. Okay, closes above this resistance, which forms a breakout. Okay, so now we have our number one breakout as our direction. Okay.
Can you switch the chart on the candles, please?
Okay, chart on the candles. Yes. Okay. And then next, we're gonna have our VR. Look at it. It's right here. Even though it looks that small, it's still a VR. Okay, you need to pay close attention. Sometimes the candlestick, but let me check. Let me confirm whether this is a doji or it's not doji. Closing and opening. Okay, opening and closing is different. So meaning to say it opens above and then it closes below. Meaning to say this is a bearish candle right here. Okay, which indicates that we actually have a VR. So mark the VR. Boom, like this. You know, this is a VR now. Now all we need is a CF. Okay. So we're gonna need a CF. It pulls back. Okay, now it gave us a CF. Okay. Quick tip. Just for those who, you know, like maybe after this recording, you guys want to take trade, right? CF that happens outside the breakout area is not a decent one. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. Let me look at this again. So now let's continue. See, okay. Now, look, it actually gave us a new PO cell right here. Okay, so now I want to, can anyone use the annotation? Annotate? Can anyone annotate for me?
I can try.
You can try. Okay, let's go.
Yes, I can.
Yes, Peter can. Okay, let's go. Okay, you start first. Okay, Peter. So I'm gonna mark the breakout and I want you to mark the VR. Okay, So where is the breakout? Can you annotate a breakout for me?
Yes.
Can you show me where the
So
breakout is?
yes. This is. I change the color
Okay, sure.
first
Yeah.
and make the line bigger.
Okay, yes, adjust it to your liking.
Yes. Okay, so this is bearish breakout.
Yes.
So I create after this candle vertical line,
Yes,
and now
correct.
I will looking for VR.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, so now I'm gonna move this so it's like, you can easily see. Okay, I'm gonna move H1. Okay, now we are looking for VR. Okay, so now,
This is VR
okay,
here.
okay, good. Okay, that's a VR.
We need bullish breakout.
Yes. Okay, so now I want you to draw the diagram. We have this, right? The BO, the VR, and then the CF. So I want you to draw that
Yes.
diagram, please. And then pinpoint, like how I do it.
No,
Draw the diagram.
I have to write the diagram. Same.
Yes, diagram. Yes.
Yes. So we have
BO.
bearish BO, then bullish VR,
Yes.
and looking for bearish confirmation breakout.
Correct. Okay, so now what I want you to do is to do it like this. Okay, do it like this. Okay. Next example, I want you to do it like this. So BO,
Yes.
make sure, okay, you mark it. Make sure you mention it. This is H4, okay? H4. Then I want you to circle this and set an arrow, so you know. Okay, this is the BO. Then the VR, I want you to circle the VR and then pinpoint it. This one, okay? Make sure you have the time frame here as well. H1. Okay. Okay. Now next, let's find the CF. Okay, now we have the CF. See?
Yes, bearish
So
CF.
bearish CF. So circle this again, this area, and then pinpoint it to this area. Okay.
Yes.
So H1 VR, H1 CF.
And after the CF candle closed, we immediately open trade.
Yes, after the CF candle close, we immediately open trade for basic.
Okay.
Okay, there's more to this, but this is basic.
Yes,
okay.
Yes, I understand.
So you're gonna immediately open trade. Let's say example, take the sell here. Okay, and then let's see if it drops. It drops. Then close all like that. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next example. Okay. Next example. Okay. Do it like this. So every time you do it like this, right? You train yourself to understand, okay, which part of this is in the cycle, whether it's the breakout, it's the VR, or it's the CF. Because I'm gonna teach market cycle. There's going to be this topic later. Okay, I explain a bit. Okay, in each and every one of this cycle, there's a specific way to trade it. Okay, so in order to understand this, you must get through this first. Okay, continue. Let me continue. The higher your understanding is, the higher your win rate. Okay. So next, let me find another example. Where is it? Need to look for a breakout. Oh, okay. Now we have a breakout. Okay, now I want you to pinpoint where's the breakout, Peter?
Yes. Yeah. Here is bullish breakout.
Yes. Where should you plot your vertical line?
a vertical line after this candle.
Okay. I want you to, now I want you to draw it neatly, okay? Where your first breakout. Draw it beautifully. So we can see, everyone can see. Make your pencil thicker. Make it the thickest line.
Okay.
Okay, make it the thickest line and then change the color to maybe yellow or something everyone can see.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, now draw.
So I have to draw the structure into the chart directly or under the chart and make arrows.
Just like this.
Yes.
Like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
I help you draw this one. I help you draw. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now, next, after this, okay, this is not precise, okay? Might make it precise like this, okay? This is the resistance, right? Okay, so now after you do this, okay, you're gonna draw one more down here. Gonna draw one more. So you have your BO, okay? P1, P1, H4, yes. If you see me posting P1, P2 in my Instagram or anything, this is it. It's the faces. So next, okay, make sure you have your arrow. Circle, arrow. So you know, okay, this is phase 1. Okay, next, let's look for our phase 2. Yeah, I see it.
So we have
Yeah.
bearish breakout now.
Yes.
You see.
Do you see it? Where is it? Where is the VR? Oh, your
it's
pencil
too
too small. Too thin, yes.
Small, yes. I
Make it
changed.
bigger.
Delete
Make
it. So again, so down, up, down. So here is bearish breakout. We are on H1. So when I draw it into under graph, so here is circle, and it is VR. Delete.
VR.
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 This and
H1.
Okay,
cool. Okay. VR is phase 2. Good. So far, good. VR is phase 2. Phase 2. Yeah. P2. Okay. P2. Okay. So next, we're gonna need our CF, right?
Yes, CF bullish breakout.
Bullish breakout. Cool. Okay. Okay, we have our bullish breakout. So this is our CF right here. Okay. So now draw. Continue. I want you to. Yeah.
It's here. No. Let bit higher. Delete this line and draw again. So here.
Correct.
And on this graph, it is this.
Correct. Yes. Good.
So it's CF H1 phase 3.
Good. Cool.
And open by break.
And open by position. Okay, open by position. Okay, close all. Like that. Okay.
So after the trade is open, we wait just only one candle.
No.
And then
close. That's for example only. No, not one candle.
Yes, single.
Yeah, only for example. Just so you know that we actually open a trade here. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. So now, good. That's good. Okay, I can see that you understand. So our next candidate. Good. Very good, Peter. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Next candidate. Who wants to try?
I can't on my mobile phone.
Oh, you can't on your mobile phone. So we have, it's okay. You can rewatch this. You should be able to understand it. Dusan,
Yes, yes.
Big Brother.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready to all.
You ready? Okay, let me show you.
I have
Okay.
a poor English.
It's
Very cheap.
fine. It's fine. As long as you can see the chart and understand it, it's good. Okay. Okay, now
Okay.
I clear things up so don't get confused. How is it so far? Everyone understanding it? Okay, yeah? Okay. No. Okay. Okay, let's start with the okay, I'm gonna find other area. Okay, better. Okay, now let me find a fresh breakout.
This is my first time when I draw it.
It's okay. I find a area
Hey,
where okay. Now here we have an example. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want you to first identify your breakout. Phase 1. Identify
Nearby.
phase 1.
Can I draw it?
Yes, you can draw.
Get
Can you please
Okay.
make your thicker?
Color yellow.
Make it thicker. The line width. Can you make it thicker?
Sorry, I don't know. This.
You make it bigger. Like mine, see? Mine big, right? Not like this. You want small. Make it big.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bam.
Duško, skús tam dať tiež fialovú farbu, aby to bolo vidno.
Okay, good.
Yellow, yeah.
Alebo takú žiarivú nejakú.
Magenta.
A tučnejšiu.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's continue. Okay, good. Loving it, guys. Loving it. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So, phase
this
1.
This is BOBY.
BOBY. Okay.
Yes. And I'm waiting for...
Draw your diagram. Okay. Draw your diagram. Look how I thought it. Where's your diagram? Draw it here. Here. Draw it up here.
Okay.
Okay. Draw diagram. You get me? Yes. Okay. So you are buying, right?
Buy.
Okay. Wait. Let me make it prettier like this. Okay, BOBY.
Okay, super.
Okay.
Super. Yes.
Okay, super. BOBY is here, right? Okay, it's here. Okay, so this is what time frame is the BOBY?
This is H4 and
yes, H4.
Yes, cool. Thanks.
H4.
I'm waiting for yes.
Okay, phase 1 BO. Okay, next, where would the VR be?
This is my VR.
Yes, that is your VR, correct? Okay, draw it. Okay, draw it. Okay, pinpoint.
Waiting for a CF.
Waiting for the CF. Okay, so now
yes,
make sure you put the time frames here. Okay, time frame. What time frame it is?
H1.
And then you need to always write the VR, okay? Make sure you define it really well. VR.
Thank you for
and then help. VR would be phase 2. Okay, phase 2. Okay. And then you need to put H1 at all times. So you know. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna be looking for our CF. I'm gonna pinpoint this one first. This one is our VR. This one is our breakout. So we need our CF. So let's look for a CF next. Okay.
Boom. I think nothing. It's okay for me now. It's okay.
Okay, now we need to look at the CM view, whether it shifts or not. Okay.
It's shift, yeah.
It shift. So yes, it did. See, look. It shift, okay? It closes below this support here.
I'm going to be yourself.
Okay.
On
So-
H4 now.
Yes. So now this buy setup, the buy setup that you had here
Is invalid. Yes.
is invalid. Correct.
Yes. Okay.
Smart.
Okay.
Good. You're catching it.
Cool. This is my first time when I talk English. Yeah. It's true.
Hey. Oh,
It's true.
I love it. I love it. I love it. You don't
I
have
don't
to
know
be
when
perfect.
Okay, super.
Super,
This is
super.
2 in 1.
2 in 1.
We teach English and trading.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I'm gonna clear things
Okay.
up. This one we said we cannot use anymore. Yeah, because CMP shifted. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove it. Okay, this one, this buy setup failed. Okay, failed because the reason of the failure is because CMP shifted. So let's like CMP shift. So buy setup failed. Okay. Okay. Then we have a new H4 BO cell. So I clear this. It's too messy now. Can no longer use this. Okay. Okay. Okay, next. So where would our most recent breakout? Where did it happen?
This is BO cell. Can I draw it?
Yes. Where is our BO cell?
Yes.
It shifted, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. BO cell. Okay. Okay. Cool. Good. Okay. Now, gonna move this line here. Okay. Good. Okay. Move it. Look for our VR. Where is our VR? Wait, there might just be a new. No VR cell yet. Okay. No VR
BO
cell.
cell. Another.
Yeah. So new BO cell.
BO cell.
So we
Yes.
shift again. Shift again. Yeah. Like this. Keep on tracking it. Track. Move up. Okay. Okay. We have our VR. Okay. So now draw the diagram. We need diagram. Now define your BO first. Start with the BO. Yeah, BO. Okay. Define it. Okay. And then define your VR. Okay. Cool. Okay. Make sure you have the time frame. Okay. Have the time frame. Don't forget about the time frame.
VR is on H1.
Yes, we are H1.
BO by.
Yes. You need to write it here.
H4 is BO cell. Yes.
Okay, BO by. BO cell. So this one is VR. This one is BO. Always do like this, okay? Okay.
Yes.
So next.
I'm waiting for BO cell.
Yeah, you're waiting for BO cell. Most of the traders I teach, everyone wants to wait for CF only.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Millionaires.
Okay, let's look at it. Okay, drop. Okay, now.
Okay.
Look at it. Okay, right now we have this as our CF. Now draw.
Yes.
Draw the diagram.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry.
Okay, anything, it's fine. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this one, okay, cool that you include that this is a structure break. Cool, this is a break of structure. Okay, cool. Yeah, now, so now let's see. We press sell button. Okay, we close all like this. I'm millionaire.
10 lots, please 10 lots. Give me a 10 lot.
Okay, So good.
I believe more.
So good. You're good. Yeah, no need. Next person.
Thanks.
Good. Good enough. Okay. Good enough. I
Okay.
could tell that you understand it really well.
Thank you.
Okay. So next would be, thank you, brother. Next would be
Thanks.
Blanca.
Okay.
Okay. You guys can help her. Okay, if she have like issues with English a bit, do help her. Okay, but don't mind. You can just do it like it's nothing. Okay. Okay. Continue. So now let's start with the phase 1. Okay. Phase 1. Let me look for a breakout. Okay. Okay, now we have it. Okay, first I want you to define the breakout. Okay, use a pen and then draw like how Dusan did it. Okay, where is our next one?
Sorry, Blanka, rozumieš, jak sa to
Nerozumiem.
kreslí?
Nerozumiem, ako sa to kreslí.
OK.
Akože skúšam to nakresliť, ale...
OK.
Okay.
Blanka has a problem
She's
with
trying
drawing.
to draw, but there is some issue with drawing at her side.
Oh, okay. Can
And
you guys
sorry.
assist?
Blanka, rozumieš tomu? Že či rozumieš, že čo sme robili?
Rozumiem tomu, čo sme robili.
She understands well what we are talking about, but she can't draw on your screen.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine if it's like that. It's okay. You can just watch the recording. Do you guys have any questions? Thank you. Okay, thank you for coming up and standing up. Do you guys have any questions?
I have many questions, but not related to this topic.
Not related to this topic.
Question related to next steps and so on, but I think we will have time for this later.
Okay. So now it's going to be homework. Okay, homework. Yeah. So homework is going to be a lot of drawings. Okay, drawings. So it's going to be like this. Okay. It's going to be a lot of drawings. Let me find example area. So let's say the example we took was here just now, the cell, right? So what I want you guys to do is to do it like this. Okay. Screenshot this whole area. Okay. If your screen is huge, you can do it like this. Screenshot, use a snipping tool or whatever. Okay, screenshot this whole area like this. Okay. Once it's there, okay. What I want you guys to do is to first define the breakout. Okay, make sure you define the breakout. It's fine if the drawing is not that beautiful, but the most important thing is you defining the breakout. So this is, okay, define it like that. H4 BO cell phase 1. Okay, H4 BO cell phase 1. Then drop down to the upside. Okay, you will have this. Okay, so how I want you guys to do it, this, not like this, data, circle, pinpoint. Oh no, not nice. Circle, pinpoint. H4 BO cell phase 1. Okay, next, we're gonna circle this one down here. Circle and pinpoint H1 BO by VR. Okay. Phase 2. Okay. P2. Next, gonna move a little bit upwards like this, right? Draw the structure. Boom. Okay. This one. Gonna pinpoint it again. H1. BO cell. Phase 3. Which would be the CF. Okay. So we have the complete of everything. So I'm gonna mark this. Okay. Don't share this picture to anyone, okay? I'm gonna send it inside the group. Okay, homework is going to be like that, okay? It's inside. Ah, yeah. Wait. Wait, how do I screenshot this? It's actually giving me a blank picture because I'm drawing it with how do I screenshot? Moski, can you help me snapshot this and send it inside the group?
Control C, Control V, doesn't work.
Okay, thank you, Moski. Lovely. Thank you, Moski. Okay.
How many examples do you require?
Okay.
I didn't hear.
Okay. I want 2 example is fine. 2 is enough. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Okay?
Okay.
We slow, okay? Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Have a nice day. I'm gonna send the recording.
Thank you. Bye.
You too. Thank you
Great.
very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank
Ahoy.
you.